Hello everyone, welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today you'll learn how to write an arbitration request letter. This letter is a formal written communication used to request the initiation of arbitration proceedings to resolve a dispute between two parties. It is typically sent to an arbitration body or organization, outlining the nature of the dispute. You begin your arbitration request letter by listing your full name, address, contact details, and the date. Next, you address the arbitration secretary of the organization handling the case, including their full details. In the subject line, you clearly state your request for arbitration along with a brief case description. You then open the letter with a formal salutation, "Dear Sir, Madam." After that, write, "I am writing to formally request arbitration under the provisions of applicable contract or agreement name, dated, insert date, between myself and other party's name. Despite several attempts to resolve the matter amicably, we have been unable to reach a mutually agreeable solution regarding briefly state the dispute, e.g., a service contract breach related to payment terms. I believe arbitration is the appropriate step to ensure a fair and impartial resolution. Enclosed are all relevant documents including the original contract, correspondence between the parties, and any other supporting materials. I request that the arbitration process be initiated at your earliest convenience, and I am prepared to comply with all procedural requirements set forth by your institution. Sincerely, your signature, your printed name." Here's the sample arbitration request letter we have just drafted. You'll notice how it clearly states the nature of the dispute, refers to the relevant agreement, and formally requests arbitration in a respectful and professional tone. The structured approach ensures clarity and encourages a fair and timely resolution process. And with that, I conclude today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on writing clear and effective legal and business letters.